Hey everybody, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Dave. This is my 2004 C5 Corvette. So if you're into Corvette content, especially C5 content, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. So previously on the interior, I added yellow seat belts just to add a little splash of color. But today we're going to be putting in the dash kit for the Corvette letters that are here on the airbag on the passenger side. So let's get into it. Alright, so you can pick this dash kit up on eBay for about $13. Now the seller that sells this particular kit reached out to me. He is offering 3 free kits to be sent out to 3 lucky winners. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I will give you what needs to be done in order for you to be entered to win your own dash kit. Now you can get this in yellow and a variety of other colors. So it's not just yellow, yellow, red. You know, red's like the primary color that a lot of people are going to be getting. But you get to pick your color, and he's going to be giving away 3 dash kits to 3 lucky winners. Now, obviously, the first step you need to do is just prepare the surface. So we need to clean this. It's a little dusty. I just haven't really been driving the car all that often, so I haven't really just taken care of the interior much. So besides that, I mean, it needs a vacuum really badly. So let's get into cleaning this really quick. First things first, I'm just gonna be taking a microfiber cloth and your choice of cleaner. This just happens to be some Meguiar Super Degreaser, but obviously use your choice of all-purpose cleaner. I think this is diluted pretty heavily, like 6:1 or something like that. So spray that on there and then just clean this really good. Alright, and then we're going to wait and let that thoroughly dry before we apply our letters. Now, within the dash kit, Dylan does include these alcohol prep wipes, which is really good. You're just going to wipe this into the grooves of all the letters. That'll just help the vinyl stick a little bit better. These letters are just like a vinyl sticker, which, you know, a lot of other websites do sell these for almost close to double the price. So it is just a vinyl letter. It's not going to stick up past these recesses. You're still going to have, you know, the letters will still be, I guess, kind of like embossed into the airbag cover here. So they're not going to be sticking out. They're just going to fill that up really good, and let's see how it looks. All right, so you're just going to open up your alcohol prep wipe and just go ahead and wipe inside all of the letters here. You saw how I kind of like folded that in just so you can get the alcohol wipe in there. I'm assuming this kind of just cleans the surface, gets any residue that could be in there off, and obviously helps the vinyl sticker adhere just a little bit better. Alright, so there you go. Let that dry. It's pretty much almost drying instantly because that's kind of like what alcohol does. Okay, so now with that thoroughly prepped, you're just going to remove each letter one by one and stick it in. I'm going to be using like a toothpick just to help kind of like lay it in there. Just because, I mean, you know, with your fingers are a little chubby to do that process. So I'm just going to stick it onto a toothpick just so I can align it kind of as close and as perfect as possible before I go ahead and push these on there. So I'm just going to get into this letter by letter. Alright guys, I think my GoPro shut off at some point, but there you go. That's the letters on there. Not gonna lie, it is a little tricky getting these little small stickers in there. But you know what? Got the job done. All I'm gonna do now again is just to get some of that adhesive remover off around the letters. Again, I'm just gonna hit this with this is Meguiar Super Degreaser, but obviously use your choice of all-purpose cleaner. And there we go. So there you go. That's what the finished product looks like. All right, so there you go. The yellow letters kind of match the yellow on the seat belts pretty much to a T. They don't really match the Millennium yellow, but that's fine. When I did the yellow seat belts, I knew it would be hard to match Millennium yellow because it is a different yellow than just plain old yellow. So I wanted to just stick with a plain yellow accents on the interior. So I am happy that the letters are yellow, more yellow than Millennium yellow. So I'm perfectly fine with that. But he does sell other colors. The other colors are blue, orange, green, yellow, red, white, and then he also has a red, white, and blue option. All the options besides the red, white, and blue are $13. The red, white, and blue one I think is $17. So now in order to enter the giveaway to get your free set, again, like I said, Dylan is going to be handing out 3 sets to 3 lucky winners. I'm going to put this video out on July 2nd. So the giveaway will continue all the way into July 12th at, we'll say at 7 p.m. Eastern time on July 12th. So at that point, the giveaway will be over. And in order to enter the giveaway, obviously you need to be a subscriber to the channel. You need to give this video a thumbs up. So now the most important part, besides obviously subscribing, is you need to leave a comment. And in your comment, you need to include the phrase dash letter kit. If you include those 3 words, dash letter kit, and however you want to use them, as long as you use dash letter kit, those 3 words, you will be entered into the giveaway. Once the giveaway ends at 7 p.m. Eastern time on July 12th, I'm going to be going live at 7:32 p.m. to announce the 3 winners. Alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. Quick installation on the dash letter kit from my boy Dylan on eBay. Again, make sure you head over to that link if you want to buy yours. And if you want to be entered to win before 7 p.m. Eastern on July 12th, please leave that comment, dash letter kit, down below, and you'll be entered. And as always, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.